Right, guys, what if we give you the picture and say, what's the equation? Okay, remember now, there's a few important things, especially with the asymptotes. Nelson, do you want to just go through example 3? Let's have a look at the example on the slide. Okay, what are they giving us?
Right, what do we know about this? Okay, firstly, to start with, the question says determine the equation. This is the information on the graph. We know the vertical asymptote as x equals -1.
Given to you. Given, guys, that's important. They've got to state that, otherwise you can't do the question. Okay, let's see what's next.
And the second asymptote, which is the horizontal one, as y equals 1. And one other thing is the point.
Got
here.
to give you the point. Okay.
-3.
What's the point of this? Excuse the pun. Okay. What's the point? They've got to give you the point. Okay.
Just to replace your x and y if you're stuck.
Yeah, absolutely. Otherwise you can't find the equation.
Can't find the equation. Right. Let's have a look. And we know that. Guys, we'll just draw the graph like this, and we ask you the question. You have to know or to identify this graph as hyperbola.
Exactly. Yeah, that's
sometimes,
important.
if you're lucky, we give you the general form like this.
For sure.
Okay. If we give you the general form, you'll be lucky.
Then you're lucky. Okay, sometimes they don't.
They don't.
Yeah.
Okay. Then, look at the form. A over x plus p plus q. Okay, p and q. This p comes from the vertical asymptote. Q comes from the horizontal asymptote, which is the y value. This is the x value. And then A, how do we know A? And what is the effect of A? The stretch of the wings. Okay.
Yeah.
Then, what do we know here, guys? This is the formula, the general formula. Our vertical asymptote, as I said, which goes to P, is, remember, x equals -1. And you don't just replace, if this value is positive, you don't just replace positive like that. What do? We do the proper substitution.
Correct. And what we've got, Nelson and I have got this method. Guys, it works like a bomb. X equals -1 is your vertical asymptote. Yeah. Now do what Nelson shows you now. You will never go wrong with this thing. It is Mark's, it's a gift from heaven. Given to you. This is Nelson and my gift to you, Matrix.
Of course.
Listen to what we're saying. It's good stuff. Here we go.
Let's have a look. Remember, you're taking this -1.
Bring it across.
Bring it across. Then you'll have x plus 1. The whole of this expression now replaces whatever you see at the bottom.
Let's show them how it works.
It goes x plus 1, remember? We need to direct you.
Now look at that, guys. Watch the
movement. Look at the direction. We go, this x plus 1 must go to the bottom, there, yeah. X plus 1.
Very important. Listen to us, guys. Many students put x minus 1 at the bottom. Don't. X equals -1 is your vertical asymptote. Say x is equal to -1. Go reverse. X plus 1 is not. There you got your thing. Okay, remember the shifts work differently. Yeah. Are you enjoying this, Nelson? It's good stuff. Let's cover it.
This is perfect. Let's have a look again. Horizontal asymptote, where do we get? Okay, it is shown on the graph. Then it goes for Q, which is y equals 1. This is why we don't do the manipulation of taking it across. Okay, but just watch this. Q equals 1, straight. 1. And if we are to plug this in again, we need the value here. What's this? This Q now, which is 1, goes to there. A over x plus 1 plus 1. This is the horizontal asymptote, vertical asymptote.
So in summary, guys, important, your horizontal asymptote, okay, is just the Q, the number. The vertical, you have got to take that x equals -1 and then bring it across. X plus 1 is 0, and that x plus 1 slots at the bottom, not x minus 1. Because remember the shift, x plus 1 is to the left. X equals -1 is to the left. Okay, very important. Yeah. Okay, now the question is, what is A? How do we get A? Nelson,
right. Let's see. Now, let's say we're stuck here. We don't know how to get A. But if you look at the information there, we have an extra point there. That is given us -3 and 2.
Do you get the point? Do you get the point? Okay, it's so important, this.
The point of having a point.
The point of the point. Yes, okay. Very important. Here we go. Watch this. Nelson, make magic.
Now, look at this. You know that Negative 3 goes for x. We're missing x value here. Must be negative 3. And we're missing something here, Mark.
The y.
Which is 2. It wants to move to 2. Y gets 2 now. From here, simple arithmetic. Simple. Let's look. 2 equals the bottom. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. And don't just cross multiply like this.
Be careful.
You rather multiply everything by negative 2 or first take 1 across. It's up to you.
Absolutely. You can do anything like that. Here we go.
Now, okay, what we did, we took plus 1 across to be minus, and 1 equals a over negative 2. Therefore, a equals negative 2. Now you can cross multiply or multiply by negative 2.
And then we just simply slot in.
A is negative 2.
And there's our equation.
This is the complete equation.
Hey guys, I don't know about you. So cool. I'm looking forward to the next part of the lesson. See you soon.
See you.